All right, you guys, we are cruising through them. I have a whole big stack of Glow Addict next, and I have Slay Glam bag, but we are going to do this big purple box. You see, that's why I wear what I wear, because I try to match my trend mood. Anyhow, I forgot this box is heavy. So if you're here for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Lori, and guess what? Stay a while. We're gonna unbox and see what's inside this big purple box from Trendmood, the volume 10. Sit still, you're gonna enjoy this. Trendmood is not necessarily a month-to-month box. Now, it does come out pretty much almost every month. You know what you're going to get when you get the email and they start advertising, and they'll let you know which volume or what the box name is, what the product is going to be. Sometimes it is a combination of different brands, and usually you're going to get between 5 to 7 items. Inside of the box always has this beautiful purple paper with their name on a nice little sticker. You unwrap inside to get to the goodies, and it says One Size by Patrick Starr. See, so they're showcasing just one brand, and that is by Patrick Starr, and he is or represents One Size. I think that's his brand. So, but it doesn't look like everything in here is from him. So, but we did get a whole bunch of stuff from him. Now, there isn't any list of the things that we did get, and there's no list of the prices of each of the things that we did get, but we did get One Size by Patrick Starr. So, see, you get a nice little card, and then you get some information on the back of a couple of things that are inside here. And then there is Shibula Active Immunity Serum, okay, by True Botanicals. So this must be in there as well. Doesn't say anything, just talks about the product, no price, no nothing. That's the part about beauty boxes that I'm not in favor of, because I think if you're going to give us a bunch of items in a beauty box and we pay one price and we're excited to get it and we don't know what's in it, tell us what's in it. If it's something we've never used, explain it to us. Tell us what to do with it. Just putting that out there. Okay, so we did get a shampoo and a conditioner, and this one is by Beauty Pure and Simple OGX. Does that sound familiar to any of you guys? Okay, these big bottles right here. This is the shampoo. This is your conditioner. Okay, this is a 5-in-1 Benefits Frizz-Free Keratin Smoothing Oil Conditioner, OGX. This one is a 5-in-1 Benefits Frizz-Free Keratin Smoothing Oil Shampoo. So these things are heavy. They're 13 fluid ounces each. So this is 26 fluid ounces right here. This is why that box was so heavy. But it had help. You get this as well. This is the 5-in-1 Benefits Frizz-Free plus Keratin Smoothing Oil Miracle Gloss Smoothing Spray. I'm happy. This has argan oil and ceramide, so I'm happy. These 3 products right there, that is not bad. And I'm going to leave them right here so you guys can take a look at them. Just, you know, if you want to bypass, stop looking at me and look over that way. This is not a bad little package they got, you know? It really isn't. There, you got shampoo, got conditioner. You got, okay, anyway. Did I get, hang on a second here. I'm going to make sure I have everything right. Those 3 are not from Patrick Starr. Okay, this stuff is from Patrick Starr. Now, on this card, it says we're getting a Ultimate Blurring Setting Powder. Do we have one of those? Ultimate Setting Powder. Ultimate Setting Powder. They have the exact same thing. Oh, well, check this out. So we do get Ultimate Setting Powder. However, you get dark, and you get like a banana. So this one, what it is translucent, and the other one is dark deep. So you are getting two different shades depending, because he has no idea who's getting these boxes and what type of skin they have, you know, whether it's somebody of color or like my daughter who has very like the real porcelain skin. So he has no idea, so he put one of each in there. That's not bad. See, I can give one away and keep the other one. This one was the deep dark. See that? It is kind of pretty, isn't it? One side. Does it say? Yeah, one size. No scent. But it does have that little tape over it, and it is in that, you know, that shaker that you kind of shake. And it is pretty dark, you can tell. So this is the deep dark one. I like that he, once again, I know I'm repeating myself, but I do like the fact that he covered his bases when he gave the two different shades. Okay, and then the other one is a Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. Boy, I'm telling you, it's like tongue twisters tonight. This is cute. Packaging is cute. Kind of reminds me of the Lancome. Remember when you would go to the store or the mall with your mom or your grandma, and they'd go right up to the Lancome counter? You'd be spraying stuff, trying everything on. Anyhow, it just kind of reminded me of it, but this reminds me of the Lancome packaging. It does. Anyhow, this is 1.2 fluid ounces. It's 35 milliliters. So, how do you do this? Patrick, what are we doing with this thing here? It's an instantly blurring, hydrating primer that minimizes pores. It evens out texture and controls shine while gripping the makeup for all day. It's an ultimate wear. Secure the best by securing the blur. Not a bad tagline. I don't want to stick this thing up my nose, but it is a liquid. Let's put this back here. It doesn't have a little thing on it, which kind of, I don't know, am I bugged by it? I don't know, you guys tell me. Are you bugged by it? Do you like to have things where there's safety? I know during this pandemic it probably makes you feel a little safer, but then you have those that just think it's nothing. I think it's just a cold. Well, you know what? It's too bad that wasn't the case with my mom. Moving on. There you go. Secure the blur. In your Lancome packaging. It's cute. It's cute. I like that. All right, there's a bunch of little stuff in here, and I think some of them are from the same company, so that's going to make it easier. This one is the Shabula. This one is okay. This here, that's here. Don't have a price. It just says that this is Shabula Active Immunity Serum. I could use some of this because my skin is not feeling, it's not feeling the love from the products that I'm using. I used all the stuff that I normally use tonight after, or this afternoon when I took my shower and got my hair all shampooed and got everything all cleaned up. And I sat down and I did all of my skincare before I put makeup on. And my face was not happy, nor was it responding to everything that I put on a normal basis, daily basis. I mean, to be honest with you, all of a sudden my pores just decided that they were going to start showing up. So I wonder if this won't help me out. I'm going to take some time and do some research and kind of get a little bit of information on this product right here, the Shabula Active Immunity Serum, because I think that my skin could use a change from the normal products that I use every day. And I have heard that before, that your skin becomes prone to and immune to the items that you use all the time, and therefore it starts becoming the problem child. So you just might have to switch it up a little bit. Okay, I got some little stuff down here on the bottom. This is by KVD Vegan, Kat Von D. This is Vegan Beauty. This is a Dazzle stick in the color, upside down, in the color Hail Surge. Okay, so this is the KVD Vegan Beauty. This is the Dazzle Stick. Oh, pretty. That's nice. I know I smelled something very soft, very gentle. Almost smells like a lotion, oil lotion. Love this packaging. The aesthetics on this thing are absolutely stunning. It says Denisa Myrix. Okay, and these are twin flames, and I don't know what it does, but they are wrapped up. One is the color Passion, and the other is Young Love. So this one right here is Young Love. This one is called Passion. And I don't know if you can tell, see the different colors? Well, they're all wrapped up in plastic. I don't know if I want to open them. So this is it. If you can read that, that's fantastic. Do me a favor, leave me who it is down below in the comment section. I would greatly appreciate it. If you've seen this packaging, if you've used it, if you know exactly what it is, who it is, and yeah, multi-chrome pigment for eyes and face. So it's got 2 jobs. I'd appreciate it if you'd leave me a comment down below if you have any clue and you're familiar with these guys. Okay. This is the volume 10 Trend Mood for February 2021, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up, especially if you are a trooper and made it all the way to the end of the video. I think you're awesome because you did make it to the end of the video. So I got a question for you. No, I don't. Okay, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, please. But more importantly, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks a lot, you guys, and take care until the next video. Bye.